Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your email address in the Bershka app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bershka app. Go to your profile on the bottom right corner. Tap on personal details and addresses and tap on change email. You have to add your password. You have to select a new email, and you have to complete this text what you see on this image. So after you added your password, your new email and the image text, you have to tap on the top right corner on the OK. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.